In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn coins in the Temu app. If you're looking to maximize your rewards and get the most out of your experience on Temu, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the steps that will have you collecting coins in no time. First things first, you'll want to head over to temu.com. It's crucial to start here to access all the features we're about to explore. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in or register if you haven't done so already. You'll find the sign in register option easily on the home page. Having a profile set up is your entry point to accessing all the activities and rewards. Now, with your account ready to go, click on your profile. This will take you to your personal dashboard where you can manage your activities, track your progress, and most importantly, access the features to earn coins. Next, look for the option labeled Daily Check-in. This is an effortless way to start earning coins. All it takes is a quick visit to this section each day. Simply checking in daily rewards you with coins, building up your total over time with very little effort. Additionally, make sure to complete the daily tasks. These tasks are straightforward and designed to keep you engaged while rewarding you with coins. Completing them regularly can substantially increase your coin tally, so it's worth the few moments it takes each day. Another fun method to rack up coins is through the spin and win game. This game adds an element of chance, giving you the opportunity to spin for extra coin rewards. It's a simple and enjoyable way to potentially increase your coin balance significantly. Inviting friends to join the platform is another effective avenue for earning coins. Temu rewards you for each friend you bring on board, so make sure to spread the word. Not only will you enjoy the social aspect of having friends join, but you'll also be reaping the rewards in coins. Finally, keep an eye out for special events on Temu. These events are occasional opportunities that offer a higher potential for earning more coins. Participating in these events can fast-track your coin collection progress, so it's beneficial to stay informed and proactive when these opportunities arise. And there you have it, a detailed guide on how to earn coins in the Temu app. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your rewards and making the most of your time on Temu. Thanks for watching, and happy coin collecting!